Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Choose a base first. Clear bone broth, rich bone marrow stock, or vegetarian stock made from kombu and dried shiitake. Use 2 liters of stock for a medium hot pot to serve 4 people. Start with cold water, add bones or kombu, then bring to a near simmer. Simmer bones and aromatics for 2 hours to extract gelatin and flavor, or steep kombu and shiitake for 1 hour for a lighter vegetarian base. Strain solids and keep the liquid hot for seasoning in the next step. Seasoning transforms plain stock into an exciting hot pot broth. Start by adding 1/2 cup soy sauce and 2 tablespoons rice vinegar for umami and brightness, tasting as you go. Balance salt with 1 tablespoon salt and up to 2 tablespoons sugar or honey to round flavors without oversalting. For depth, stir in 2 tablespoons miso paste or 1/4 cup chili oil for spice. Add minced garlic and sliced ginger for aromatics. Keep some concentrated seasoning aside so diners can customize individual bowls at the table. Heat your seasoned broth to a simmer and maintain gentle bubbles. Avoid a rolling boil which toughens meats and clouds the liquid. Bring raw thinly sliced meats to the pot and cook for 10 to 30 seconds until opaque, while leafy greens and mushrooms can cook in a few minutes. Root vegetables may simmer up to 30 minutes. Skim foam and excess fat during the first 30 minutes to keep the broth clear. Keep extra broth warm and provide dipping sauces so guests can refill and customize their bowls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.